Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Well, fellow people of the internet. It is me, Laray, and today I am back with another YouTube video. Today's YouTube video is a room tour, but some new things are my hair. I dyed it red, and then I also got a new camera, which is a Canon G7X, and I will be doing a review on that sometime soon. But today's video is just a room tour, basic room tour. And before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, great. Yeah. Let's get to looking. Bye. So here is the front of the door. That thingy, you see that. There's nothing really that interesting. It's just a door. Let's go inside. Ooh. Yeah, so that's my room. Don't mind that little area. But right here, when you first walk in and you close the door, you see my towels or like my jackets and stuff. And then right here is all like my skincare, nail polish, just skincare and hair care and nail care, even though my nails are like very ugly, except that one nail. I don't know if you can see it, but that one nail is my longest nail that I've ever grown in my life. But right here, you see my desk, but I never sit here, like never. Right here's my computer. Like here is my, well, clearly you can tell what it is. It is my pencil bag with all my cute little markers in it. That's an ugly color. Oh, now I see new colors, but just cute little markers. Then this is like a hair washer for my locks, and it's pretty good. Then here is a tape, dispenser, whatever you want to call it. Then see how pretty? That's so pretty. I love it. Then sunglasses, a old fidget spinner, something I can't even remember. Whatever it is, harmonica. Don't mind that. That's the male people. Then pencils, fake flowers, old stuff like just like papers and stuff. Canvases. Then right here is my hoverboard, and I painted it before, and then I took it all off with, I think it was nail polish remover. It wasn't that bad, but it wasn't the best. It wasn't the best helper. So yeah. Then I have a little rug and a little sketch pad that I don't know where to put. But right here, I have my water jug in there with my backpack. Then baby shoes and a purse. Then a picture. Then a whiteboard that says welcome to Chase's apartment, because I wanted to try and change my room into an apartment. Then my pop socket holder for when I want to make TikToks. Then a jacket, mostly my go-to jacket. Then that stuff is censored. This whole thing should be censored because it's ugly. It's not that bad, but yeah. Then right here is, I think, my dead Apple Watch. Oh no, it's alive. It's alive. I still have this old meme up here. There it is. 413. Then, right here, if I want to move my TV, this is my TV. I can move it around and stuff. And I put stickers on the corners because I thought it would look cute. And yeah. Then right here, I have a C for Chase. But I think the, oh, it's not dead. It's still working. Okay, I'm gonna turn you off because I don't feel like turning you back on. I mean, turn it back off anytime later. But then my fire stick remote. Cute little waterfall thing, and I don't feel like turning it on. Then a tripod down there. Then, not tripod, whatever, computer freak, I don't know. Then my LED lights. My hanging chair. It's hanging up from the top of my wall. Then this tapestry right here, which is beautiful. I love it so much. And then right here, we have a marble clock that I got, I think, from the at-home store for only $10. Yeah, 10. Wait, I don't know. 10, we're just gonna go with that. Then a old cartoon picture of me from 2010, I think it says. Yeah, 2010. Then we have that up there. Sorry, the focus is not the best, but that's fab. Yep. Then I have blackout curtains. Then right here I have my MacBook charger, a book that I really like. Oh, and now you want to unravel on me? Okay, that works. Then right here is an old what's it called, pretzel like thing, and I cleaned it out and made it into like where I put all my hair stuff, like my headband and scrunchies and hair ties. Then my piggy bank. Then a cute what's it called? I can't remember what they're called. I'll probably put it somewhere in the video, but right here I have my LED lights want to turn on. I probably plugged it into the wrong input, but whatever. My LED light remote. It's not the ones you see or the ones you used to see on TikTok, but who cares? Then I have this random butterfly earring. It's hard to see it because of all the light. And please excuse my brother mowing the lawn. Please excuse that. Then my trash can, censored. Chapstick. And I took the wrapper off so nobody knows. So everybody knows it's mine. Sorry, I got frustrated. Then my AirPod case. Oh, and I drilled a hole on the wrong side. So like when I want to connect it to my other devices, because I had to reconnect it to my new phone. But yeah, my AirPods that are almost dead. And then here's my bed with the very off-colored pillows. We're not gonna talk about that. But yeah, that's that. I have a flamingo that I won in, like, you know, those little, like, what are those things called? I can't remember what they're called, but it doesn't matter. There's that ugly flamingo. Then I have a penguin that I got, I think, for my birthday 2 years ago. Then I have a Care Bear that I accidentally threw in my hamper. I don't know how. I accidentally threw her in the hamper and she died. Well, not died, but like the stuff on her got dyed, like the hair or whatever. You could kind of tell, like light blue, but she lived through harsh times. Then a black fluffy pillow, the pillow that matches with my bed. Then a satin pillow that I usually use to sleep, but it always slips off my bed. And yes, I do wash it. Don't worry. Then I have a body pillow. And then there is, I can't remember what it's from. Yeah, I cannot remember. I'll probably put it somewhere in the video because I can't remember. And then I have cute little butterflies on my wall with a sunset painting that I made. The clouds look very, I don't know. It's cute though. It's very cute. Then I have my dream catcher. Then I have these little butterflies, like the ones that stick. Not like those ones, but like you can easily tell, the flat ones. Then I have this thing, and every time I try to like put it on the wall, it might like slip off later on that day, which makes me mad. Good night. And then not my favorite part, but right here is, right here is a very, I meant to pick that up and put it somewhere else, but right here is my small shoe collection. I have my Air Forces, because I don't usually wear shoes or go places because of quarantine, so I don't, you know. I have my golden wedges, my Air Forces, my Fila's. I don't even know what the rest of these are from, but that's fine. That's perfectly fine. Then I have my light switch that I made myself. Bro, it wants to unpeel? Okay, whatever, it doesn't even matter. Then I have my, I have my custom made light switch. It was made by me, thanks for asking. But it's very like, I like the texture. The texture is amazing. But anyways, thank y'all for watching this whole entire video. And if y'all watch this video, like the video now, please, I'm begging you. And thank you so much. Have an amazing day. And peace out. I love you guys. Bye.